G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo.
And Pete.
We're here today to talk about the new and upcoming school holiday program.
Exactly right. Holidays, Christmas, no school, how good.
I really tricked ya. Really though. We are here to celebrate the school holiday program. School holidays rock! And we have got a load of stuff for you.
Are you hands-on, creative, artistic, or do you want to be, or are your kids?
Do you want to get your kids off the iPads and get them creative?
We've got a kids carpentry course on. But actually we've got two.
We've got two kids carpentry courses and we've also got a billy cart making course. So let's talk through them. First,
The kids carpentry course. It's over 2 days. So we've got one on the 9th and 10th, and we've got one on the 16th and 17th of January. 5 hours a day, so it's not too long. We're going to teach kids how to use hammers, how to use saws.
Alabama! Then on top of that, so what we've got is some really cool little hand tricks that they can learn to create carpentry little projects.
And not only are we teaching kids how to do carpentry, billy carts. We're doing
Billy
it again.
carts! Yeah! What kid doesn't love a billy cart? But it's a special treat, isn't it, Pete?
Yes it is. Why is that, Joe?
It's because the kids get to do it with the parents, and the parents get to do it with the kids. Another thing that is lacking these days is some parent and kid quality time. So we've brought both of them together for an absolute rock and roll day experience. Not only do we have a barbecue, we have the billy cart making, and on top of all of that, we get to
Crash them. Race them. We're gonna race them! We're gonna race them! No crashing!
No crashing!
No crashing! No crashing!
No,
And we're gonna customise our rides, guys. We're gonna have paint, we're gonna have stuff, pimp them.
Pimp my ride. Ow! Yeah, so please come on down. Not only do we have all of that, but we've also got a very limited special offer up till Christmas. So if you're looking at buying one of these two programs for your kids and for yourself, we've got
discounts!
Discounts? No way!
Oh, it's Christmas, man. I've got no cash left. I need discounts.
Yeah, we all need discounts.
Okay, cool. So, for our kids carpentry course, the code is K Hand Tools. K Hand Tools, enter that when you go to pay, and you'll immediately get 20% off.
Okay, and what about the billy cart, Pete?
Yeah, enter billy cart.
Billy cart?
Yeah.
Billy cart in the billy cart for a 20% discount.
Sure, why not?
You can't go wrong!
Well, no, you can't.
You can't go wrong.
Even this Joe reckon.
You can't go wrong! So come on down, come and join us. School holiday programs, get your kids out of the house, get yourself out of the house, and
Learn some stuff.
Throw in some other stuff. Yep, good one.
Brad.
Thanks for watching.
Stay awesome.
Stay awesome! I love the way you said that.
No,